Wales Without Violence framework is a set of guidelines and guidance for partners across Wales to really understand what affects children and young people and what we can do collectively to create an environment where they are living their lives without violence and fear of harm.
Collaboration was one of the most important things that we did. Having the VPU on our side and working with us was just so necessary, because young people need to work with professionals as well as professionals working with young people.
And we also worked with PAC to develop this pop-up shop in Cardiff, where members of the community could come along and kind of speak to PAC about kind of their views on what could work to prevent violence. And we combined all of that information into the final version of the framework. So the framework is informed by the views of over 1,000 children, young people and professionals.
The kind of educative element of the project and the work that we did was very much like a two-way street. The young people were learning about the experiences and lived experiences of people from across Wales, whereas we as peer researchers and as professionals are learning about what the actual situation on the ground is at the moment.
This framework is really just like a guide that we can now constantly refer to look at ways that we can make Wales safer for children and young people.